Hi everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. Y'all, I cannot believe the fall semester is already here. Time is flying. I have mixed feelings about how ready I am. Like, I'm ready to sit in the classroom and learn again, but I know like 2 weeks from now I'm gonna have very different feelings. But regardless, today I'm excited to show y'all what some of my college favorites and essentials are for the new semester, how you can get geared up for the new semester, whether it's your first semester in college or your last. These are some things that I can't live without. I highly recommend having with you, using those sorts of things. I've got everything from tech stuff to makeup to clothes, snacks, things like that that I just love, and I cannot live without things that I'm using on a daily basis and that I've learned to really appreciate over the last few years of being in college. So let's go. We will start off with tech things just because I feel like that is a huge part of college, and now I have what, 4 things here that I cannot live without. I highly recommend you getting your hands on before the new semester starts, just to help ease your peace of mind, make things go a little bit smoother, be as prepared as possible for class, those sorts of things. So first things first are some good headphones. These here are the Beats Flex. These are my absolute favorite headphones. They're 50 bucks, super cheap for a pair of wireless headphones. Yes, they have a wire, but they're wireless to your phone. These are so nice. Again, they're so cheap. You just wrap them around your head. They magnet together. You can play some music. They're Bluetooth. One really cool feature of these is when you connect them back together, your music actually pauses. These are so nice to have on hand. The battery is like 10 hours long. Regardless, these are such a nice thing to have on hand, whether you're walking to class, waiting between classes, trying to study in a study space on campus, something like that. Super easy to connect to your phone, iPad, computer, what have you. I would highly recommend you get your hands on some good headphones. I've also heard really great things about, obviously, the AirPods, the new like wireless Beats earbuds, but it's hard to pass up something cheap, and this is my second pair of these. I've owned these for about 6 years. I had the Beats X for 4 or 5 years before they kind of just stopped working, but again, 50 bucks, hard to beat, such good quality. Love these guys. One thing I cannot live without is a portable charger. Y'all, you need to have a portable charger if you're going to be a college student. This is so necessary. I have the iPhone 7, which granted has a very terrible battery life at this point, but there are some days that I will be on campus from 7:30 to literally like 9 o'clock at night. I might have class, I work 2 jobs, I might have a club on campus, so just having a portable charger to charge my phone or even charge my iPad is super handy. I will link some of my favorite ones down below. I like this one from Jockey. I had one from Halo that I absolutely love, literally like the best charger ever, but I left it in the engineering center my freshman year and have not gone around to getting a new one. Rest in peace, but that thing was amazing. Regardless, super handy. I have a few of these of all different sizes. Super convenient to throw in my purse, my backpack, have in my car, that sort of thing. This one might be obvious, and I have talked about this a million times, but I am so grateful for my iPad. I purchased my iPad over winter break between my first and second semesters of my freshman year. So I've had it for about 2 years now, a year and a half or so. This thing is amazing. I have the iPad Pro, the 2018 version, with the 2nd generation Apple Pencil, so the one that magnets to charge. This thing is so handy. Notes, textbooks, studying, doing like CAD sketches before I actually put them in like CAD software. Whatever you need, this thing is amazing. You can watch live lectures on here. I cannot say enough good things. I've talked about this before, so I don't want to ramble too much, but I will have my iPad case and everything linked down below if y'all are interested in picking one of these up. Especially if you are invested in the Apple community with a watch, iPhone, MacBook, what have you. They all just complement each other so well with being able to airdrop exams, textbook, PDF, whatever, to and from each other. So this is awesome, and especially if you're a college student and as an engineering student, I've really found this helpful. And last but not least for tech is my Apple Watch here. I got this Apple Watch a while back for my birthday, like I mentioned. I used to have, ooh, it's really dirty underneath. Either way, I used to have the 3rd generation Apple Watch before I shattered it after like a few years. So I was given the Apple Watch SE for my birthday. This thing I have been loving, especially when classes are in person and you're walking around campus, things like that. Having a watch is so convenient for timing, helping you, you know, check the time between classes, getting notifications. You can silence it so it's not interrupting you during class. I feel like I have my phone out a lot less because of that. And another big perk is when I'm walking around campus so much, I feel like it makes it so much easier to hit my move goals and my exercise goals. So just being able to like track your steps and things like that, I've really appreciated in workouts and things like that, just because I am so much more active when I'm walking around campus. It's really motivating to feel like I'm doing something good for my body, and I can see numbers based on the little daily things I'm doing without even thinking about it, like walking between classes. Moving on to backpack essentials and other little random things. First things first, I have here is a lanyard. Y'all, if you don't have a lanyard, get your hands on one. I got this custom one from Boy Oh Boy Bridal Works, which is actually an equestrian company, before my first day, my first year of college, over 2 years ago. And I love this thing. It is super cute, super customizable, has all these fun colors that I got to pick out that are all woven together, and then has this nice little clasp on the bottom here. This is so handy, so you can have like your university card, you can throw a credit card or 20 bucks or something in there. You can put all your keys together. I feel like just having one nice thing that I can carry around without having to worry about my wallet and things like that is super handy. Depending on your situation, you might need to use your university card more often than other students, and again, having something you can throw around your neck can really help that out. Whether it's like your first year and you're living in the residence halls and you need to swipe into the dining halls in your room and things like that, this is super handy. The lab that I work in, you have to have card access to get into, so again, having this handy, I'm not bringing my whole wallet, just something kind of small that I can keep in my backpack, have everything together, but then also put around my neck is super nice when I'm going into work. I would also recommend having little snacks and things like that on campus. I am the kind of person that will either stress eat or stress not eat, and then if I stress not eat, I end up getting migraines, and then that's when I get my sensory overload situations. So having little snacks with me at all times can just kind of remind me to eat and things like that. One of my favorite things are pistachios. Something salty and crunchy without eating something like chips can be really nice. Give you some good protein, healthy fats, that sort of thing. These are packed with so much goodness, and I love having these in my backpack. Things like LaCroix and Spindrifts, things like that that I can just throw in my backpack and drink while I'm on campus studying or something like that, or waiting for a class. Just another way to keep me hydrated, keep me eating, and keep me healthy while I'm on campus and stressed and busy. I've also found that since not having the university meal planned like I did my first year, I'm eating less, which has its pros and cons, because I felt like I ate a lot my first year just because of the freshman 15, but at the same time, when I'm on campus for literally hours and hours at a time, I'll find myself gravitating towards the coffee shop way more often than I probably should, eating a lot of pastries, coffee, like I said, things like that. If I don't have something healthy and something convenient with me, that's when I end up spending money and eating something unhealthy. So these are so nice to have. Going off of that, y'all, have a water bottle with you. The aerospace building where all my classes and both of my jobs are, there's a refrigerator on every single floor that you can, well, nobody's ever told me I can't, so I do it anyways. I take the ice from there, like there's an ice machine in it, which is so nice. And then of course there's like cold water refill stations everywhere, so being able to just fill this up, get ice, things like that whenever I need to is so handy. Again, another way to keep me drinking, keeping me hydrated, keeping me healthy while I'm stressed and busy and running between classes. I find that something with a straw, like my Hydro Flask here, encourages me to drink a lot more than something that I'm twisting off. Sometimes I'll catch myself just studying with my chin leaning on the water bottle, just constantly sipping water. Again, super healthy. I really don't think you can ever drink too much water, so I'd highly recommend investing in a good water bottle that's going to keep your water cold. Maybe something with a straw that'll just keep you drinking throughout the day. And last but not least, moving on to my favorite clothes, makeup, stuff like that. I have a few items here that I want to talk to y'all about that just make me feel more put together, help me get ready in a pinch, keep me cozy, things like that. So first off, we will start off with my favorite makeup lately. I have been absolutely obsessed with Glossier. Y'all know I've been using Glossier for a few years, but a while back I really dove in and invested in a lot more makeup products that I haven't tried yet, and I am obsessed. Oh my gosh. The Perfecting Skin Tint Stretch Concealer and then the Lid Star here are some of my absolute favorites. Super quick and easy to throw on. I've literally timed myself and it takes me less than 8 minutes to do a full face of makeup now with all of this, just because so convenient, so fast, so easy, and so lightweight. I have really dry skin, so I find that putting something heavy and thick can really dry it out more. But something like the skin tint just gives me a little bit of coverage, makes me feel a lot more put together because my skin tone is a bit evened out, but doesn't make me feel heavy, like my acne's gonna get worse, like my skin's gonna peel even more, that sort of thing. The Stretch Concealer is amazing, and it can provide a lot of coverage if you want it to, and if you're willing to build it up. The Lid Star here, again, super simple, one step, swipe it over your eyelid and blend it with your finger. Super easy to take on the go, and just another way I feel more put together and ready for the day. I feel like when I feel, whether it's gross or dirty, or like I don't have makeup on, or my outfit just like feels frumpy, I feel so much more self-conscious throughout the day, and that affects everything. Whether I feel like I'm constantly adjusting something in the middle of class, or like I'm always going to the bathroom worried about my hair or something like that, I feel just so much more like myself when I feel confident. And even something as simple as like a super lightweight tinted moisturizer kind of thing can really change my attitude about myself throughout the day. Going off of that, I wanted to talk to y'all about some of my favorite Lululemon scrunchies. Y'all have heard so much about these. I'm the kind of person that does like one of the same two things with my hair almost every single day, and I feel like it gets redundant, but having a fun little hair accessory like a bow or a scrunchie or something like that can really help dress it up a little bit more. Same thing, make me feel more put together and a little bit more confident about myself. I have just a little clip-in bow right here. These are nice for something more temporary, but I feel like when I'm in the lab all day and I need my hair back, it doesn't work quite as well. But something like this big fun bow here, I'll throw this in with a ponytail or my hair half up. Super nice and convenient. This is the, I think this is the uplifting scrunchie with the bow. And then this is the light lock scrunchie. I have so many of these in so many different colors. They're super like athleisure-y, match so many different outfits, have this fun little detailing on the end there, and my hair stays all day, whether I'm going from class to the gym to the barn, something like that. These are so nice, so convenient to just throw in my backpack and grab when I need it, when I'm heading into the lab or I'm walking home and I don't want my neck to get too sweaty, something like that. I love these. And then last but not least, here I wanted to talk to y'all about my favorite hoodie in the entire world. This is the All Yours hoodie in fleece from Lululemon. I've talked about this so many times. I have 3 of these in 3 different colors, and I cannot say enough good things. These are super simple, super cozy. They have fleece on the inside. They have a fleece and a not fleece version, I believe, but I own all of the fleece ones. These are just so cozy and plush on the inside. I feel like I get really cold when I stop moving, so I love having a sweatshirt or something with me when I'm in lectures all day, just to throw on, keep me cozy and keep me comfortable. These have super nice big hoods if it's ever raining outside, or if you're just feeling in that mood where you don't want anyone to talk to you and you just want to put your hood up. No graphics or anything like that, which I really appreciate. And then a really nice big kangaroo pouch. This is the kind of thing that it's oversized enough to be really comfortable and enjoyable, but not so oversized that it's sloppy. Again, another way I can just feel more put together and more cozy while I'm in class, while I'm working, without feeling sloppy and frumpy and just kind of uncomfortable, if that makes sense. These are so nice. I cannot say enough good things about these. Hence why I owned 3, well worth the price. This gray one is definitely my favorite just because I feel like it goes with the most. I also have like a salmon colored one and a light blue one. Those are so fun with like brown or gray or black leggings, something like that. But super convenient to have around, and I cannot say enough good things. Like I said before, I feel like I'm so much more productive when I feel put together and I feel comfortable, and I feel like I'm not constantly fidgeting with my hair or my makeup or something like that. And at the same time, when I have the resources to help me focus, like a good pair of headphones and a water bottle, so I'm not constantly being interrupted by, oh, I'm hungry, I need to go to the coffee shop, or I need to go find a quiet space, I can make that quiet space with my noise canceling headphones, and I can be productive because I have my iPad with me and I'm not lugging around textbooks, those sorts of things. So I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Let me know down below what some of your college favorites are and what you really enjoy using throughout the semester. I'm so excited for all of the fun school-related videos coming this semester. I'm very stressed about it already, very nervous for classes to start, and I really want to make time for y'all in this channel. I really enjoy doing this, and I already know school is gonna suck in the best way possible. It's just stressful and very hard, but I love it at the same time. So either way, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and got some use out of it. I love you all so much, and I will see you all next time. Peace out. Bye.